Introduction to Working Desk Meditation. Welcome from a fellow traveler. We live in a world that feels increasingly uncertain. Climate change is accelerating. Wars rage. Economic and political instability seem to be everywhere. And many of us are asking, how can I possibly make a difference? If you're someone who meditates or reflects deeply, you may have already sensed that your inner practice can be more than just a personal sanctuary. It can be a subtle but powerful form of service. A way to contribute to healing a world in pain. Today, I'd like to introduce you to a technique I call working desk meditation, a simple yet profound way to turn your lunch break, everyday meditation, or journaling practice into a point of light in the world. All you need is a spiral notebook and a pencil or pen. Most of us are familiar with traditional seated meditation, eyes closed, body still, attention inward. And that's a valuable practice. But there are many other forms of meditation, ways to work not only within, but also throughout the world. Working desk meditation is one such practice. It's not primarily about calming the nervous system, though that may happen. It's not just about grounding or gaining clarity, though those are natural side effects. It's about becoming a channel for higher energy. It's about contacting your soul, or higher self, and offering that alignment in service to the greater whole. So let's begin. Step 1, open a portal, a doorway to your own higher self. That connection becomes a bridge, from your focused mind, to your soul, to the vast field of universal energy, what some call the cosmic heart, the divine, or source. In this state of alignment, you can receive guidance, ideas, and energy that are not just for you, but for the healing and upliftment of others. This is the essence of spiritual service. You might also attune to specific energy centers in the body, or connect with devas, angels, or inner sources of inspiration. But always, the goal is the same, to become receptive and radiant, filled with light, and ready to serve. Step 2, set your purpose. Before you begin, choose a clear subject or purpose for your meditation. It could be, healing the earth, offering peace to a war-torn region, supporting someone in need, or envisioning a more loving, just future. Write this purpose at the top of a fresh page in your notebook. This becomes your invocation, a call to higher energies and unseen helpers to work through you. Step 3, the symbolic circle. Now, draw a simple circle on the top half of the page. Don't worry about perfection, it's not about art. It's about energy. This circle is your focus point, an energetic container. Trace the circle gently with your finger a few times, allowing your intention to concentrate within it. It is now a vessel. A sacred space. Step 4, attune to the higher self. Take a few deep, quiet breaths. Feel your body relax. Let your emotions settle. And focus your mind gently on both your written purpose and the circle before you. As you breathe, imagine aligning with your higher self, an inner point of wisdom, love, and purpose that exists beyond your personality. Let that inner light flood into you. Step 5, receive and write. Now allow the meditation to unfold. As impressions, words, or insights come to you, jot them down below the circle. They may arrive as single words, sentences, mantras, or images. You might write a line of poetry, or a simple affirmation. You are listening with the heart, and recording what wants to emerge. This may last 5 to 10 minutes, or longer if needed. Step 6, draw a symbol. As your meditation deepens, certain symbols may form in your inner vision. You may see or sense a shape, color, or design that feels meaningful. Draw the symbol within the empty circle. Again, it doesn't need to look perfect. It is an energetic transmission, a visual embodiment of the force or idea you've contacted. Symbols are powerful. They encode the energy of ideas. They radiate intention. Learning to think in symbols is a valuable practice. Each person's symbol will be unique, because each soul's perception is unique. Here's an example from my own journal. This symbol came to me for the topic, working desk meditation. At the center is the meditator. Energy flows from the soul above. And through this alignment, light and purpose are directed outward, into the world. This is what working desk meditation is all about: align, receive, serve. Through a simple practice at your own desk, you become a subtle healer, a creative agent, a co-worker with higher forces for the good of all. In future episodes, we'll explore different themes and purposes you can work with, from healing nature, to global peace, to climate resilience, and more. Your desk can be a point of radiance in a world that needs it more than ever. Thank you for meditating with me. Your light matters.